In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your Xiaomi TV cannot connect to Wi-Fi, or how you can easily fix internet connection problems. For the first step, what I recommend is that you turn off your TV, then unplug it, wait like 2 to 3 minutes, and then plug it in again. This is to reset your TV completely. And what you also can do in this time, go to your Wi-Fi router, turn the Wi-Fi router off, then wait also like 1 minute and turn it on again. So this is to fully reset your TV and your Wi-Fi. After you have checked this, go here into the home menu on your TV. Then go to the right until we get here into the quick settings. In the quick settings, go on all settings now. And here on all settings, for the first step, what we have is like that we go here on system. Go here on system and then go all the way down here, and here try to reset the TV. So sometimes this helps. Okay, then for the next step, go here on your network and internet. For the first step, go here, Wi-Fi, turn it off, turn it on. So and then we have like the available networks. And if you are like connected with your internet but you have no connection, then for the first step what we can do is that we go down here and then we click on forget network. So and then we can easily type in the password again. So, but if you have like the problem that your network isn't shown up here, then go and see all. And then we have here the network, and here we can also go on this, and then here we can try to type in the password again. So sometimes we have like, error or something here in the password. Okay, and if nothing of this helps, then we can try to go here on our connection again, where we have no internet. So here on this, and then we can go here on IP settings, go on this, and if you have like activated static, then try to change it to DHCP. But if you have this on DHCP, then try to go on static. And here on static, we have here like the IP address, go here, so then the gateway, this is also not important, go to the left here. Prefix length is also not important. And then we have the DNS server. And here I recommend to type in like 8888, which is already typed in, or 1111. Okay, and after that, go here on this. And then we have like the DNS2. And here I recommend 8844 or 1001. So and then go here also on the right, and then we can try to check. So sometimes this helps. Most of the times you get some problems there and then you have no internet, and sometimes but it really helps. So you have to try to check if DHCP or static can help you. And this is all we have to do to fix this problem. After that, your internet problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.